Meteorologist Lacey Swope, she's in the Bob Mills Weather Center. Lace, a lot of blue over there, girl.
It's chilly this morning, that's for sure. The dress definitely matches it to start the day. We're in the low 30s. We've got a little fog, a little low cloud cover, maybe some drizzle down in southwestern Oklahoma across the metro. Fog not causing too many problems. We're 39 in Jones, 27 is the temp up in Stillwater, clear, 36 in Shawnee, 40 in Byers, 29 in Fort Cobb. Winds are at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now with temperatures flirting with freezing and that moisture at the surface, we have to watch for the chance of freezing fog. As of right now, we're not seeing that, but it's something we're going to keep an eye on through the morning. Visibility is down to about 4 miles here in Oklahoma City. It is much more dense as you're traveling down to the southwest. We're also eyeing our next storm system. See on water vapor imagery, that coming into the Pacific Northwest, that is your holiday system, and it is going to bring a chance of rain and a chance of snow to Oklahoma. And that thing has slowed way down. So we're talking about the track of it shifting a little further to the north, and they've really bumped up the rain chances across the metro and across the state as we head into the holiday. The latest on that in just a minute. This morning, as far as rain or heavy rain is concerned, well to the south, dry across Oklahoma. You can see a little bit of that haze there on the camera, a little fog trying to settle in. We are at 32 at Rogers World Airport. Ground temperatures are warm though, so we're not going to see any widespread icing issues. If we see anything as far as freezing fog this morning, it would be isolated, but we're watching it. We are in the 20s in Chickasha, also in Fort Cobb, low 20s off into far western Oklahoma. Winds are just light enough to let that fog settle in. Temperatures warming to 45 at 10, by noon 53, and we're back up to 59 by 3 o'clock on your Tuesday. South winds 10 to 20 this afternoon, 50s and 60s for highs. Now let's track that storm coming into the northwest. It'll come out to the Rockies and then dive down to the south, and the data consistently over about the past 24 hours has slowed it down, saying it becomes mostly cut off from the jet stream, which means it just meanders around across the plains. Thanksgiving Day, off and on showers, mainly light rain on Thursday. Friday, this thing hugs the Red River, bringing us heavy rain to the state and potentially some heavy snow for folks in the far west. This data, a slight change in the track or the temperature with this will mean a big change in the forecast, so it's still too soon to really narrow down those details. It ends early Saturday, and then this thing's out of here, and it's quiet for your Sunday and Monday into next week. Future Next Gen showing the precip lift in tomorrow. By tomorrow evening, light rain central southeastern Oklahoma. Here's Thursday morning, 6 a.m. light rain and maybe a few sprinkles in the northwest, and that kind of blossoms and becomes more widespread midday into the afternoon on Thanksgiving Day. Then you see the pink and the blue mixing in for folks out west, Buffalo, Tologa, Clinton down to Sayre, out into the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. That could transition to all snow, and if we see that change over to snow, it could snow for several hours in that one area, taking you through the day on Friday. So that's what we're watching for. Lows tonight will be down into the 30s. We're dry tonight, upper 30s that is. Tomorrow, 50s for highs. We'll see 50s and maybe a few 60s in the far northwest. Rain chances increase tomorrow afternoon and evening coming up from the south. Thursday morning, it's light rain around your Thanksgiving. It'll be a cool day, a cloudy day, which is kind of off and on rain. Temperatures in the 40s. Now, as the cold front approaches in the back edge of that system, northwestern Oklahoma drops into the 30s, and that's when we could see a wintry mix Thursday afternoon and evening. Out west, transitioning to potentially all snow through the day on Friday. For now, the way it looks for the metro, we see all rain through the entire event. In fact, if we do see accumulating snow, this is a map showing you the chances of getting some snow accumulations. It would be out in the panhandle, western and northwestern Oklahoma, and still looks too warm for snow for central and eastern portions of the state on Friday. But I do think we get some healthy rain out of this. At least we could see anywhere from 1/2 of an inch to maybe an inch of rain, and some areas in bullseyes could have close to 2. So it is a soggy system, and it has slowed down. It's with us for your Friday, moves out early Saturday. It's chilly while it's here as well. Then we're back to the 60s for next week. Back to you guys.